Hi everyone, welcome back to Reflect with Catalyst. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. There is nothing more alluring than dreaming about a better life. More wealth, more power, more luxuries, more success. But there is also a saying, be careful what you wish for. You might just get it. A client of mine reached out to me because she was extremely frustrated and overwhelmed. For the past 10 years, ever since she had gotten married, her dream was to separate out from her joint family house and have a home of her own, an independent unit where she could live with her husband and children alone. A few months ago, that dream became a reality and she was ecstatic. But very soon, reality started sinking in. She couldn't really step out leaving her kids behind because there was no support at home. The entire household responsibility, all the chores, everything related to managing bills and vendors, everything was now her responsibility. And suddenly, she started missing the structure and support of a joint family. She finally came to me because she was extremely confused how her dream had turned sour, how something that she thought was like heaven, where there would be no rules, no one telling her what to do, turned into something so difficult and torturous for her. Similarly, I'm sure we all know thousands such people who are employed in jobs where they are not satisfied. They all dream of becoming entrepreneurs. A businessman looks like a person who's got wealth and power, and a business is probably a ticket to freedom. But have you really considered the sacrifices and hard work which go behind that success? Have you thought about the anxiety and difficult times, loneliness that they would have dealt with to reach that position of success? Are you ready to put in that? If fame and popularity were a guarantee for happiness, why are so many celebrities coming out with stories of depression and suicidal thoughts? Just think about it. There are so many times when we see other people in their homes, in their businesses, in their work, probably enjoying very high positions or a lot of popularity and fame. We aspire to lead those lives. But have you really thought what goes behind achieving those lives and whether they are happy where they are? Now hold on. This video is not about dissuading you from having dreams and aspirations. It is about getting a reality check. We tend to create rosy mental images of how life will be once we achieve what we desire, that we forget to consider the implications in achieving these dreams. We believe that life will be brilliant and beautiful once we arrive at where we were, and then we are let down once the rose glasses are shattered. Remember, the more we think about wanting more, a bigger house, a better job, a compassionate spouse, we actually invite a sense of lacking. Our focus shifts from what we have and being grateful for it to what we don't have. And then there is a continuous unease because we want to achieve something that we don't have. And while it is good to want something, it is good to work for something, remember, focus is good, fixation is not. So, by all means, have aspirations and set goals, but keep these few points in mind before you start that journey. First of all, do your homework well. Ensure that you've considered all aspects related to your desired goal. Secondly, be aware of the challenges during the journey and the consequences once you reach your desired goal. Be prepared to accept the results of your decision. Be clear that once you achieve what you were desiring, it is not a guaranteed solution for all your problems. There is no utopia. And know that whatever you hope to feel once your wish is fulfilled, you have the option of feeling that right here, right now, because happiness is an inside job. Start with gratitude. Feel grateful and express gratitude for all the things that you have, because if you have food on your table, if you have a roof on your head, if you have your family with you, you are already much, much better off than so many more people. Cultivate the habit of feeling happy today. Reflect with Catalyst and do share your thoughts on this topic with me. I would love to hear from you. Remember to share this with whoever you think can benefit from it, and do subscribe to this channel for more. Stay connected, stay safe.